Linda Parody's old dysfunctional kitchen has been completely dismantled to make way for the new dream kitchen she won in a contest from Marilat Cabinets. Designer Jen Schatzer has put together a great new plan, and contractor Greg Perez is making it happen. Now that the drywall is up and finished, Greg starts the cabinet installation with the corner unit that anchors the L-shaped design. This way, he can build from it in either direction, ensuring that the rest of the cabinets are level and in line with the corner. The base cabinets are raised 3/4 of an inch to accommodate the cement backerboard and tile that'll go down soon. The sink base cabinet is a new design that we previewed at last year's International Builder Show called Core Guard. The polymer sides and bottom are impervious to the moisture that's inevitable beneath the sink. This specialized clamp holds the cabinets together and the face is flush while Greg secures them with long screws. The opposing L section is anchored by a Lazy Susan cabinet in the corner. Besides a plate rack and more storage, this wall also gets a cabinet for the refrigerator and a broom closet cabinet. Over in the dining area, there's a window seat and lots of display cabinets. Linda makes it home from work just as Greg is winding up his day, and her reaction makes the whole day's effort worthwhile.
This makes my day.
With cabinets in place, the electrician returns to trim out the fixtures. It's also time to create the template for Linda's new countertops. Often countertop fabricators will do this with strips of wood and hot glue, but these guys are using a much more high-tech approach. This articulating arm maps out a series of points that define the edges of the cabinets and where they meet the walls. Then, the computer can connect the dots to create a perfect representation of the exact size and shape for the counter material.